Hi, welcome to Water Expo and Conference. This exhibition is organized by Water Today. You can visit this exhibition from the URL waterx.biz, or else you can use the URL which has been shared with you. Once you come to this URL, you will be welcomed on this page. So this is the reception page for this exhibition. In this reception page, you will be able to see what all is there in this exhibition, what all are the features of this exhibition, and why you should be a part of this exhibition. You can also see the list of sponsors and exhibitor along with some video galleries also. If you want to get in touch with the water exhibition organizer, you can use these number and email addresses. So in an order to see this exhibition, you have to click on visitor register. Once you click on visitor register, it is a very small form where you need to fill all the forms and submit. You will have your login credentials. Using those login credentials, once you click on visitor login, you will be coming to this page. So this is the login page where you can just enter your user ID as well as the password, and you can just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be welcomed inside the lobby of this exhibition. So you can see all the banners and the videos, promotional videos. Along with this, you can see the sponsors and exhibitors. All these data will be available here with you. You can also contact with the organizer. You can give your visiting card to the organizer, or you can take their visiting card. In a single click, you can see the list of all exhibitors present in this exhibition. The same way, you can see the list of all the visitors inside this exhibition. You can see what all products has been displayed in this exhibition and what all are the new arrival. That's a new product which has been launched inside this exhibition. If you want to see the exhibition, or you want to attend the conference, or you want to attend the B2B launch. So if you want to attend the conferences, you can just click on conference. It will bring you to the pre-recorded conference. Now if you want to see this pre-recorded conference, you can click on the play button and you can enjoy the pre-recorded videos. If you want to attend the live conferences, you have to click on B2B launch. Here you can also get in touch with the other visitors and you can speak with them, or else you can click on conference and you will be routing to the page of conference where all the conferences are happening about this water expo. Now if you want to go inside the exhibition, you just need to click on the exhibition. You will be having the different rooms. So these rooms are the categories. So if you want to go for the water filtration, so you can go for a water filtration unit or a water purifier. So different categories will have a different room. So you can choose the choice of exhibitor which you want to see. So if you want to go for any particular room, once you click on that room, you will be coming to that page where you will be having all the exhibitors from that segment only. You just need to bring your mouse on it and you will be able to see what is that exhibitor all about. And if you shortlisted that exhibitor and you want to see their booth, you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, you will be coming to their booth where you can see their posters, their galleries. You can also see their videos, you can see their documents, you can get in touch with them through WhatsApp or Skype. If you scroll the page little up, you can see there is an e-showcase, announcements, appointment, feedback, give visiting card and take visiting card. So if you want to give your visiting card to the exhibitor, you can click on give visiting card. If you want to collect their visiting cards, you can click on take visiting card. You can also give the feedback about their product. You can also see their announcements, what they had made. Always there are lucrative announcements and offers being run by the exhibitors so that you can see. You can also book an appointment with them. You can click on e-showcase in an order to see their product. So if you click on e-showcase, it will bring you to the product page. So here you can see the complete image of the product. You can also see the videos related to that product. You can see the video demonstration. You can read about the specification and descriptions. Here, if that exhibitor has published the price, you will be able to see the price instead of contact for price. If they had not published any price, you have to get in touch with them for the price. You can make your offer, you can ask for a quotation. You can also see where all these physical products are available, or where all their shops are there or showrooms are there. You can download their brochure, you can get in touch for a price, you can also write a review about this. If you scroll this page down, you will be able to see the recommended product which is being sold by this exhibitor only. So I can see that this is a water treatment equipment. So this is something like this. You will be having a lot of images about it. And by the recommended product, I can see the wastewater treatment plant, zero liquid discharge plant, and membrane to bioreactor. So this is how you can enjoy this exhibition. See you as a visitor in the exhibition. Thank you.